Here we go, guys. Put a little bit of beeswax on her. Cool down nicely here now. Nice shine on her. Leave it alone for a couple of seconds and wipe off the excess there. Pliers goes magnetised. That's what they eat, I suppose. The twist is not in the right spot, but it's okay. It's only for the shade. I could have done a better job there, but that's alright. It's not too bad. Well, there you go, guys. No handle for the cabinet. Yeah. Not a big one, it's only a little something there. Yeah, first one ever made. A little twist on it. It's made out of 3/16 square stock. So it's only a light handle, it's only a little covered. So, hey guys, tell me what you think of it, and then we'll catch you in a little while. Alright, today I'm going to make a ceiling hook. I got this piece of steel which come out of me one of them big wire wheels. It given to me there years ago for the cabin. I sold the steel, and so plan on using this and a piece of this here now and make a ceiling hook for my Coleman lantern. Sometimes we don't have no gas in the cabin and that stuff, and we got the little hook on the ceiling, little, you know, so I'm going to make a little decorative one there, see how it turns out. Hope you follow along. Okay, we are back. What I done was chopped off the nut off this end, ground it down a bit, get it in video. And what we're going to do is weld that onto there. Actually, it's going to be like this. Use the top plate there, drill a few holes in this, and have a sort of like this, and have the hook. I'm not long when I have the hook. I'd say probably 5 inches from the ceiling. That should do it. Yep. Hey guys, I'm gonna get the forge going there now, and we'll get at it. cool there now, and then we'll put the oils on. One more heat now and make curl. Yeah, there we go. I changed the curl of the hook. I made it a little bit smaller, and I put a twist on it. This is round stock, 3/8 roughly. What I've done, I flattened out the two sides, and so you can put a twist there. And this nut, I'm going to weld it on air. And it'll be inside of air like this sort of thing. So I drill. I don't know, I was going to drill 2 holes, but I think I'm going to drill 3 holes. Okay, you don't want that lantern come down on the kitchen table in the cabin there. Yeah, so I might even drill 4 yet, I don't know. Be overkill 4, but still, like you said, now you don't want that, you don't want lantern come down on anybody's head. So we'll get back to you when this one here cools down. Just let it touch it like that and that'll run down. Most places. Like I said, now this is going to be over the table, so if it gets overly warm, won't matter if it drips. I want it to, yeah, that should do it. Nice color on it. Hey guys, check back with you in a few.